Alright guys, so I'm taking this video because I have this sound on my engine. I don't know if it's me being paranoid or whatever, but it sounds like it might be getting a little louder. What it is whenever it's under load, like heavy acceleration, I hear like a thumping sound. I mean, I don't want to call it a knock because it doesn't really sound like a knock. I mean, it could. I've never really heard a knock before that well, except on my old truck. It has a really bad knock on it, my old IDI. But I mean, it'll do it at idle when I have it around 2,000 RPM. I'm going to try and do that right now, and then I'll make another video while I'm driving. But for right now, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to rev the engine up, and hopefully you'll be able to hear it on the video and help me diagnose what it is. I'm really hoping it's not a bearing or anything. That would suck. So here we go. I don't know if you can hear it too well because it's not under load, but it's slightly there when it's just, when I'm parked here. But please let me know what you guys think. Any input would be, greatly appreciated because, I've looked up what this could be, and they say it was on Cummins forums, and one guy was saying, oh, it could be the number 6 cylinder, just you could just be hearing the number 6 cylinder. Another guy said, it could be a wrist pin or a rod bearing, which, I'm praying that it's not. Other people have said injector knock, but, I don't know if this could be injector knock. I really hope it's just me being paranoid and that it's just, a normal sound. But you could kind of hear it under load. So, in a little bit here, I'll take another video, and hopefully you guys will be able to hear that. So, thanks for watching.